Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video I'm going to show you a very quick way that I've been using to transfer my files from one computer to another, even without physically sharing the file within the system. Okay, so what we used to do is using a very simple website called the EasyTransfer.net, which you can access by just coming to EasyTransfer.net. It will bring you over here. Now sometimes you don't even need to log into the account. It is very free to create. You can see it is without limit. Okay, free or limited, and it's always available. Large file transfer with no limits, paywalls or surprises. You don't even need to log in to have access to this. All you need is to just come to this website, and over here you can hit on this plus sign to be able to add in files, or you can add folders if you're interested. And down here you can be able to use this to specify the email that you want to send it and the email from, and then you can type in your message, and once you click on upload, it is going to upload those documents that you have added. So let's try something simple by just clicking on the plus sign. Let's come over here. Let's say in this course I have this simple documents that I want to add. So these two, I'm just selecting them and I'm going to upload them directly. You can add more files or you can add folders if you're interested. For now, these are the two that I've added. You can specify the email that you want to send to. Let's say my email, and then let's say from which email you want to send to. Let's say from this email, and then you can specify the message. All right, so you can specify the message, and once you click on upload, it is going to upload the document. But before then, you send a verification code to this email, for example. So you have to access this email and check the verification code and don't paste it here. And as you can see, this is the email that had been sent, and this is the verification code. I can just copy it and then get back to the transfer and then paste it in here. And once you click on verify, I can be able to now see that it is now uploading my document, which is going to share with the other accounts that I have specified. So you are going to receive an email even confirming the transfer, and once we click, you can be able to download it. Very easy. So let's just give this some seconds to finish up the transfer and then now see how we can access it. So now everything has been settled, files have been uploaded. You can expect an email shortly. So all you need is to go back to the home email, the receiving email. You can see a file had been sent to you. These are two files, and once you come over here, you can be able to see the message that it has for you regarding this, and the message that this download link will expire in 1 week time, which is a very good time for you to actually access the files and transfer. So you can just click and it will give you the opportunity to just go ahead and download this, and with just that click you'll be able to see that you've downloaded the files that have been transferred to you. So this can help you in managing space. As for example, in Google Drive you have limitation of 15 gigabytes, and in other drives you can have limitations as well, but this one is actually useful when you want to do some quick transfer to your friends, maybe some files, some folders, some light folders or files that you quickly want to just transfer without you keeping them for a while or for some time. This is very easily done and accessible. So this is the simply about EasyTransfer, a very cool feature or platform that you can use to transfer your documents from one email or from one user to another. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.